Hi, and welcome to this new video on the new Pro4 LPR camera by Illustra IQ. Illustra IQ have added to its range of AI analytics with the new license plate recognition analytic. When set up, the new Illustra IQ LPR camera will be able to detect and read the license plate numbers on approaching vehicles. To set up the new analytic, begin by logging into the Illustra IQ web GUI using the admin login credentials. Select Setup from the web user interface at the top of the screen. Then navigate to Event and Actions and select Analytics. From the top of the screen, select the License Plate Recognition tab. You'll notice that the Enable License Plate Recognition and Highlight Detections checkboxes are checked and enabled by default. You then have the option to change the camera exposure profile if this has not already been done so from the video menu on the left hand side. From here you can select the specific license plate recognition profile from the drop down to automatically configure the camera video setting. Next we have the region drop down menu. This allows users to select which global region they reside in, including North America, Canada and Europe. This can then be refined to a specific country and issuing authority or states as shown on screen depending on the user's location. For this video we'll select Europe and the United Kingdom. The recognition configuration allows users to configure multiple analytic rules for LPR. The allow and deny rules can be configured to set specific lists of license plates that can be enabled using the checkboxes. To edit any of the rules, select the edit icon where the user can then configure the region of interest and rule parameters, including minimum confidence level and camera action using the drop-down menus as shown on screen. The plate list configuration is where the user can upload a CSV files containing the specific lists of allow and deny license plate numbers.